Coach Nasser is amazing. He has a wealth of knowledge in various different areas. I really walked away from this event feeling inspired to change some things in my life, like around emotional regulation and challenging my mind and some of my habits.
Coach Nasser absolutely delivered, helped set the tone, helped us really prepare. We have some big dreams, we have some big goals, and really helped us understand.
When we're told about Coach Nasser, I wasn't really aware or understood, what the process was, and I had to have an open mind to come in and see this. But it's really refreshing to be able to have a really structured approach where you can go through and understand.
I can really say that today it was very impactful. For me, all of the sessions, especially with how hands-on Coach Nasser was, it gave me a lot of room for introspection. So as the session was going on, I was pretty much taking in what he had to say and had to share.
Definitely recommend anyone who's looking to transform and change to come to Coach Nasser. He's amazing.
I feel really blessed, to be honest. Yeah, I'm glad that we were able to attend a session with Coach Nasser today.
Definitely do this again. Very happy to be here. Very grateful for the work of Coach Nasser and his team.
Unexpected, a little bit active, a little bit of tears, I'm sure, but highly recommended, and we can't wait to have Coach Nasser.
I'm very grateful for Coach Nasser, opening up our hearts and minds today and really asking us to challenge ourselves and ask who we are at our core.
When Moby and Sarv told us we were going to be having this session with Coach Nasser, I didn't really know what to expect. I've done mindfulness workshops before, meditation workshops, and it's not that I didn't like them. I did enjoy them very much, but I just thought they were all very similar and had very similar messaging.
Coming into Coach Nasser's session for Come In Ken, I had not many expectations, to be honest. I just told, hey, we're going to do this session and this is what's going to happen. Definitely blew my expectations, which like I said, I didn't have many. But I'm leaving feeling really empowered with a lot of optimism around what I can focus on for myself.
I've left this session feeling hopeful. I loved his story, not the trauma he's gone through, but I loved the hope that it has given me and the team to know that someone from such a traumatic journey has been able to overcome all his challenges.
Today, I was completely blown away by what I experienced here, and I'd say it's kind of on par with Tony Robbins, and that's been thrown around a bit today, but it's very similar.
It was a really empowering session that I would do again and again, and I can't wait to have more of my family and friends experience something like this.
My husband and I, we've already made intention to join Coach Nasser again and hopefully do more immersive workshops with him, because we believe in a growth mindset, abundance mindset, inner healing, and we want to do that together. So yes, definitely I'll be coming back to Come In Ken.